this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2023 Ford F-150 in an XL trim with the STX Appearance Package, powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency. And the STX Appearance Package giving you things such as a unique front grille, blacked out trim, unique rims, and black interior cloth. But let's take a look inside. Looking into the back seat, we have comfortable seating for 3 with the black cloth, as I mentioned, can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And in the middle, you have 2 cup holders with a 12-volt, as well as a USB and USB-C. And looking into the front, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, trip information, driver assistance features and settings, fuel economy, eco coach, and comm screen. Can also go into further settings and information. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with lane keeping system and your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. You have your Bluetooth phone controls, navigation, so you hopefully won't get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. Above that, you have your auto start stop shut off and your camera view again, as well as your hazards and traction control shut off. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls. Does have AC. To the left, you have your trailer brake controller and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts. And then on the opposite end, you have tow haul, eco, and sport mode. Moving on to the right here, you have a 12 volts and USB and USB-C. Then down below, you have another USB and USB-C. Looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then onto your center console area, where you've got 2 cup holders, a large bin, and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray and a ton of room inside for all of your stuff. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.